Creating a login page on Squarespace allows users to securely log into your website, manage their accounts, or access exclusive content. Here's how you can set one up. Enable member areas. Log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to Settings and then select Member Areas. Click Get Started and follow the prompts to set up a member area. This will allow you to restrict access to specific pages and content. Create a login page. Go to Pages in the left sidebar. Click the plus button and choose Page to create a new page. Select the login option under Member Areas. The page will automatically include a login form that allows users to log in using their email and password. Customize the login page. Click Edit on the new login page to customize the layout and design. You can add text, images, and styling options to make the page match your website's theme. You can also adjust the button styles and colors. Set up member permissions. In the member area settings, configure which pages users can access after logging in. You can set up exclusive content for logged in members.